A design instantly feels more professional when every section has room to breathe. Today, how to design spacious frame layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert multiple rectangular frames in a balanced arrangement while leaving generous spacing between each section. Upload your images and drag them into every frame, adjusting crops carefully for consistency and clarity. Select the background and apply a soft neutral or muted gradient tone for a calm atmosphere. Slightly enlarge one frame to establish hierarchy while preserving visual balance. Add thin geometric accents or subtle border lines with reduced opacity for structure. Use position tools